In today's workplace, advanced cybersecurity isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Even the biggest, most sophisticated companies with advanced protections in place have suffered significant data breaches, often directly due to vulnerabilities in their print environment. Printers and MFPs are often less protected and targeted by hackers to access sensitive data or create havoc. Don't let your business be the next headline. The Virus Detection Kit, powered by Bitdefender, enhances the Sharp BP series with an extra layer of protection. The antivirus engine scans all data going through the machine in real time, leveraging AI to analyze, learn, and recognize data patterns. The Virus Detection Kit can block known and new malware threats before they harm your system. Upgrading an MFP with Bitdefender enhances network security, taking data protection to the next level. Once activated, the Virus Detection Kit is always on guard, continuously updating and checking for virus patterns. As a one-time purchase, you're getting ongoing value and protection without a subscription. Easy to deploy and hard to bypass, the Virus Detection Kit, powered by Bitdefender, is a powerful addition to any print environment. See your Sharp representative for information on pricing, configurations, and more.